So your WhatsApp number got banned and you have been on the internet searching for videos that can help you unban your WhatsApp. In the process, you've seen a lot of videos, tons of content. Some of them, they are in different languages, Bangladesh, Indian, French, whatever language. You don't even understand what they are saying. This is the video that's going to help you unban your WhatsApp. Why should you listen to me? I've helped over 5,000 plus people unban their WhatsApp. I have one of the biggest WhatsApp unban video that works on YouTube, and I'll prove it to you. I'll show you my dashboard. If you come to let me show you from my dashboard, from my YouTube Studio dashboard. I have a video that has 89,000 views on how to unban WhatsApp. A lot of people have used that video and the method worked for them. I have the one that has 30 something thousand views. Look at it. This particular video has 89,000 views and over 1,429 likes with 94% success rate. Right, I have another one that also has almost that amount of number. Look at this one. This one has 33,000 views and 89.2% success rate. So the point is, almost everybody that watch my video, that use my video to unban their WhatsApp, they get it done. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can unban your WhatsApp. Now, before then, there are two ways that, and there are two types of ban you can get on WhatsApp. You have the temporary ban, you have the permanent ban. But the problem is a lot of people cannot differentiate between the temporary ban and the permanent ban, you know, because they'll tell you, WhatsApp will tell you your number has been banned. But whichever way, when you follow this method, if it is a temporary ban, this is going to unlock your WhatsApp immediately. But if it is a permanent ban, WhatsApp is going to reply you and will tell you your number has been banned because you have done this and this and this, and because of that they don't want you on their platform. So with this, at least you will know the reality of your situation, and then you will know how to move on. Right, all you need to do is for you to just follow my step-by-step instruction, because I'll be showing you through my mobile phone. And don't forget, if you find value in this video, you leave a comment, you like the video, so that others can benefit from it. Without wasting much of your time, let's head over to how to unban your WhatsApp. And please leave a comment and tell me if it was successful for you or if it wasn't. I'm very sure that this is going to help you. My name still remains Victor, and today I'll be teaching you how to unban your WhatsApp. So if your WhatsApp has been banned, I need you to stay to the end of this video. Why? Because I can help you, and I mean it. I've helped a lot of people unban their WhatsApp, and if you trust me, I can help you. For example, look at this phone number. I got this message some days ago, that was like 2 days ago, and the guy just sent me the message. You can see I have not chatted with this person before. +254 is the phone code of Kenya. This guy messaged me from Kenya. He said, "Hello, thanks. I watched your video tutorial on YouTube on how to unban my WhatsApp and it worked." And I replied, "You are welcome. Thanks for giving me feedback." Then he told me to inbox him whenever I post any new video. So yes, I have helped a lot of people unban their WhatsApp, and I'll be teaching you for free if you can be patient enough to watch this video to the end, because it will be long. And trust me, you follow my steps carefully, your number will get unbanned. So if your WhatsApp has been banned, this video is going to help you. Now, how do you unban your WhatsApp? Straight to the video. I've taken screenshot of all the process, so you will just follow me. Now, to unban your WhatsApp, the first thing is that you're going to see a message from WhatsApp telling you your number has been banned. When you see that message, the next thing is you now have to unban your WhatsApp. So I had the screenshot of all the process. It should be my download. You can have to download the screenshot so that it will be easy for me to explain it to you guys. Exactly. So you see a message like this: your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp. Contact support for help. You click on support. When you click on support, some options will pop out. You scroll to the end. There you are going to contact WhatsApp. But there's something you must do when you see this one. Your phone number is banned from using WhatsApp. Make sure you have a screenshot of this. Screenshot this one like this. You screenshot using your phone, because you will need it later. I'm going to show you what you will do with it. Now, when you click on support, different options will come. The last one is to contact WhatsApp. For you to contact WhatsApp, you go to WhatsApp to send a complaint. Now, this is what you do next. If you contact WhatsApp, it will bring you to this place, contact us. Next, you now write, "Hello WhatsApp," or "Hello sir, my phone number was banned so time, and I don't know the reason it was banned, or I believe just write, "Hello WhatsApp, my phone number was banned, kindly unban my WhatsApp." When you write that message, anyhow you compose it, just write, indicate your phone number, so phone number was banned, and please they should unban your WhatsApp. You get? Now when you write that message, that screenshot that you add, then you're going to put that screenshot here. You put it in this second part, put it in this third part. You fill the screenshot in these 3 places and you click on next. When you click on next, it will bring you to this page. You're going to get a message from WhatsApp. You get this kind of message. Hi, thanks for your message. We understand you are currently unable to access WhatsApp. We are working diligently to answer your request. We appreciate your patience and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. For more information, please read this article. Now, before you even get this message from WhatsApp, I skip the part. You will see something like this. When you click on your number has been banned, this particular screenshot part, right, and you click on next, it's going to take you to this place. In this place, that message you wrote will come out. Your phone device, everything will be there. You understand? You make sure that all these things, your phone device, all the settings, it will come out automatically on its own. Then you click on send through your email. Is when you have sent this in your email, that is where you're going to get this particular message from WhatsApp. If you get this message from WhatsApp, all you need to do is for you to relax. In the next 4 hours to 24 hours, you are going to get another message from WhatsApp. But before that message comes, listen to me, before that message comes, there's something you must do, and that is why some people, after they unban their WhatsApp, they ban it again. The thing you need to do is follow my step carefully, because sometimes when WhatsApp bans your number, it probably bans it because the bot in WhatsApp is discovering something on your WhatsApp, or you violated a WhatsApp, maybe you have posted pornographic content, or people have reported you, your account has been flagged for any whatever reason. But if your WhatsApp has been banned, this is the next thing you do. You come to your settings. After you have sent that mail, you come to your settings. You go to depending on the kind of device you are using, you go to account. I don't think it's account here. No, it's not. This is not where I'm going to. You go to your app. There's a place all your apps comes out. Yes, app and notification. When you come to your app and notification, you look for WhatsApp. I want it to load. You go to your WhatsApp. When you go there, you're going to do something for me. You go to your WhatsApp. When you come to your WhatsApp, after opening your WhatsApp, look at this place that shows notification permission, storage and cache. This place, storage and cache. Some people call it cache, whatever. You click on it. When you click on it, you are going to clear your cache. When you clear it, you see 0 bytes here. Then you come to this storage part. You clear your storage too. Listen to me, when you clear your storage, everything you have under your WhatsApp will be deleted. But because WhatsApp does automatic backup, the time WhatsApp gives you a link to download a new WhatsApp, you are going to get most of your files and your phone numbers, your contact back. So that one is not supposed to be an issue. When you delete it, so that the bot will not be discovering any problem on your WhatsApp, you clear your storage. When you clear your storage, are you listening to me? You hold on for a while. Then you uninstall. Look at me. You come to this place. This is your WhatsApp. You click on it. You hold it and you uninstall. You uninstall the WhatsApp. After uninstalling the WhatsApp, you're going to get an email from WhatsApp. I'm telling you, this is what you just have to do. Trust me, follow these steps. You might lose some pictures, some little things in the process, but you're going to get your WhatsApp unbanned. If this one doesn't work for you, your WhatsApp is not unbanned, then your problem is beyond me. But a lot of people have done this and it has worked for them, so yours will not be different. Come back here in this place. You're going to get a mail from WhatsApp support. So the mail will be like, hi, thanks for your message, we apologize for any confusion. Below that mail, they will give you a link to download a new WhatsApp. If you click on that link, this particular link here, the link will take you to Google Play Store. It will take you to Play Store. Where's my Play Store? It will take you to this place, right? It will take you to Play Store. It will show you WhatsApp. Wait for that link to come. You come to your WhatsApp, then you download, or I even need to update my WhatsApp. You download the new WhatsApp. Once you download the new WhatsApp, you put in your phone number, you put in every details, and trust me, your issue will be resolved. You understand that your WhatsApp will not be banned again. But if you don't clear that cache or you don't clear that storage, if your WhatsApp is unbanned, you might have an issue of the bot will continue to discover, that is the WhatsApp robot will be discovering something in your WhatsApp, and your WhatsApp will get banned again. Now this video is a quality video on how to unban your WhatsApp. If you follow this my steps and it doesn't work for you, because it has worked for a lot of people, I've done similar video like this before, leave a comment. And if you follow this video works for you, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and you leave a comment, you like the video, so that others will know that this video is working, because there are a lot of fake tutorials here and I want this one to help a lot of people. Thank you and bye for now. I hope to see you in my next video.